Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, in this video we reduce the output spark of this Mosquito Racket PCB. First we have to measure the output side resistance. This is PCB of Mosquito Racket circuit, and this video is only for my subscriber from Uganda. So this is Mosquito Racket PCB, and first we have to set this multimeter on continuity range, and in this PCB 3 pin on input side and 3 pin on output side. So first we have check the output side resistance. This is 180 ohm, and this is coil on input side. These are two input side coil, and this is one output side coil. So in this video I learn how to reduce the output voltage spark, means this side spark. So first we have to remove this transformer from the PCB, and when we decrease the number of turn on the output side, means at this time the transformer shows 180 ohm value, but when the transformer shows decreasing value like 160 150, the spark on output side will decrease. So first we remove the transformer from the PCB. Use solder. Now we are removing this transformer from the PCB. Now this is the output side, means how to identify the output side in this transformer. Set multimeter on continuity range, beep range, and these two values shows approx 180 ohm value, 186, means this is output side coil. This side coil is also responsible for making the output side spark very high or very low. When we make the number of turn on this side very high, like 1500 turns on the output side, the spark is very powerful, and when we decrease the number of turn on the output side, the spark also decreases. So first we remove the tape. Now we use a lighter to remove the ferrite on the transformer. Transformer is not opening, so we have to break the ferrite, and we will use another ferrite. So we we will break the ferrite of this transformer. You will use another ferrite at the time of packaging. Now ferrite is removed, and at the time of again packing the transformer, use Fevikwik to stick the ferrite, and tape is not necessary. So we will remove tape from this transformer. Now the two pin shows 188 value, means these two coil uh, will make that will make responsible for spark very high or low. So first we remove another coil in the transformer. There is three coil inside the transformer. So we first cut the another side coil wire. This is not output side coil, this is the input side coil. First we have to remove the another coil, and we will rewrap again this coil. This is not output side coil. Now remove this wire from the transformer, and we have to remove another coil, because the output side coil is inside in this transformer, and it is not necessary the output side coil is inside in the lower side of the transformer. It is not necessary. So we remove again wrapping of this is the not output side coil, this is input side coil. Now remove this wire. Now the now these two pin shows this is inner side coil. Remove this coil, and we will rewrap this coil again to make transformer. And this is transformer has only one coil, only one coil. And now this coil is responsible for making the output spark of the Mosquito Racket PCB high or low. Now remove this tape, and we will reduce the number of turn of this wire. Means when we reduce the number of turns of this wire, this is the output side coil, and like this I will break this wire from the transformer. Now as we decrease the number of turns of this transformer, and the spark also reduces, because this turn is responsible for spark very high or low. Now we remove this wire. This is a very thinner wire of the transformer, and this thinner wire is the output side voltage responsible for output voltage spark. And how to identify this wire? This is the output side coil. This is very thin wire on the transformer. So we rewind it again, and we will solder this wire again, and we will use tape. We will use tape to rewrap. Now we rewind another coil to this. This is input side coil. Now we rewind this coil like this, and we will solder this wire, this all 6 wire again. Now we again use tape. To now the last coil is this is the last side coil, and this is now we rewind it again. Now we again use tape. Now the spark of this transformer is reduced. And we stick these ferrite from Feviquick, and we will again solder this transformer on this racket. Now the spark of this PCB is reduced. Thanks for watching my video.